Okay, and on. First possession is on Benitez. Jump Medina to Kelsey. Fake. Shot, no good. Rebound by Sono. Sono in to Daliwan. To Roshan Hill to Iman. To Sarban. To Iman.
Up top.
Shot by Iman, no good. Follow up by Sono. 2 points. He scores all 2. Brian to Patrick Ramos, shot long, rebound by Sarban to Roshan to Sono for 3, no good, rebound by Sarban, 2 points Sarban. Jeffrey Benitez. Whoa! Another rebound by Jagruk. To Sarban. 3-point shot. Long rebound by Jeffrey. To Kelsey. It's a dribbling violation. Basics ball. Now Roshan Gill. Pass to Taliwal, fake. To Roshan. To Sarban. To Himan. Back to Taliwal for 3. Long rebound by Himan. Hook shot. Oh, 2 points by Himan Singh. The score is 6-2. To Kelsey, to Patrick Ramos, long, rebound by Sono, to Taliwan, to Sarban, nice pass to Sono for 2. 8-2 is the score. Now, Jeffrey Benitez, the number 30. To number 4, Kelsey. To Patrick. To Brian for 3. Short. Rebound by Sono. To Daliwan. 3-point shot by Daliwan. No good rebound by. Good backs out. Patrick Ramos. By Kelsey. To Benitez. Brian. To Patrick, to Brian, and Dina, to Kelsey, to Brian, to Kelsey, to John, to Brian, to Kelsey for 3, no good. Now, pass break now, to Roshan Gill, no good. Rebound by John Undina. John blocked by Sono. The score is 8-2. Three-point shot by John. Long rebound by Brian to John, to Patrick. Now blocked by Sono. Now Liman. 2 points by Roshan. It's 10-2 now. Let's go. Oops, almost steal. Here comes Brian. Shot. Long rebound by Sarban to Jagruk. Jagruk, oh, 2 points. 12-2 is the score. Crossover to Patrick, to John, Good rebound by number 10, Patrick. Patrick Ramos. 3-point shot by Ramos. Whoa! 3 seconds. By Kelsey. Now Roshan Gill. To Liman. Whoa! Turnover. It's Swish City ball. Now, John, the captain. To Patrick Ramos. Whoa! Floater, no good. Rebound by Sambak. Steal by Jeffrey. Lays up 2 points by John Mundina. Scores 12-4. Now Roshan pull up. Inawan. Rebound by Daliwal for 2. It's 14-4. Lays up by Kelsey, 2 points, nice pass by Patrick Ramos. Side step by Sabag. All the way to John, to the Punisher, Brian. It's 14-8 is the score. Turnover. Substitution. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Technical, 2 free throws. Second half, okay. For 2 free throw, no uniform. Patrick Ramos. To Patrick, to Kelsey. Oh, almost steal. Fumbles. To Patrick. Jump shot by Patrick. No good again. Rebound by Sarbat. Roshan, pull up. No good. Rebound by Lee. Rodriguez. 2 points by Lee Rodriguez. Now number 30, John to Brian, brother. To John. To Brian for 3. Boom. 3 points, Brian Mundina. 11, 16, 11. Sarbat for 3. Airball. Oh, fast break to Brian. To John. No. Rebound by Sarbat. Fast break to Roshan for 2. Roshan Gill, 2 points. Now, Patrick Ramos to Brian, the Punisher, Mundina. Pass to Ramos. Fade away. No good again. Jago. Same ball. 25 seconds remaining. 21, 20. Roshan pull up. 2 points by Roshan Gill. It's 20-11. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sarbak. Shot. No good. Rebound by Sarbak. 2 points. 22. Sarbak. John to Patrick to Chris Kelsey to John to Brian. Nice crossover, nice pass to brother to Jeffrey to John. Whoa! Rebound by Sarbak. Sono, Roshan for 2. Now Patrick Ramos, nice rebound, nice fake. Brian for 3, long rebound by Jagrup Daliwal to Roshan for 2. It's 26-14. Nice move by Kelsey. Wow, 2 points by Chris Kelsey. Galing ito mga ating ko eh. 3-point shot by Daliwal for 3. 29-16. To Brian. Pull up. 2 points by Brian, the Punisher. Mundina. Shot by Sarbak short, rebound by number 10, Patrick Ramos. Two points by Patrick Ramos. 20-29. Binabati ko si Kuya Nick. Alright, Roshan Hill. Jagrup Daliwal for 3. Rebound by, or steal. Kelsey to Brian, 2 points, Brian Molina. 22-29. 7 minutes, shot by Roshan. No, rebound by Daliwal. Oh, block. No, rebound by Sarbak. It's a double rebound. It's a foul? Oh, foul. Number 30, John Mundina. It's a foul. Foul. Sub, rep, sub. Again, sub. Alright, sub. Sino ba si Sony? Ready. 3 points by Sono. No good. Rebound by John. John. Nice move. No good. Rebound by Patrick. Follow up. 2 points by Patrick Ramos. 24-29. Now Roshan. 2. Number 26. 3 points. Rebound by Sono. 2 points by Sono Gil. 31-24. Patrick, nice crossover. Oh, carry. Side ball, side ball. To Jagrup, Daliwal, to Sarbak. 3-point shot by Roshan, rebound by Sarbak. 2 points by Sarbak. 33-24. Now Jeffrey Benitez. Oh, turnover. Shot by Roshan, rebound by Sono. To number 83 for 3. No, rebound by Patrick. Patrick. Brian. Brian, the Punisher. Nice pass to number 10, Patrick. To number 30. Steal by Jagru. To Roshan. To Jagru. To Roshan. Shot. No good. Rebound by Jagru. 3-point shot by Daliwa. Long. Rebound by number 83. To Sarbag. To number 83. To number 4 Roshan. For 3. It's good for 3. That's time out. Well, now, thank you. Chris Kelsey. Chris Kelsey, crossover. Whoa. Block by number 83 to number Sono. It's a traveling with defense by number 2, Jeffrey Benitez. Brian, to brother, to Patrick, to Brian, to Patrick. 3 seconds, Chris Kelsey. Excuse me. Roshan. To Niman. Oh, pass to number 83. No, rebound by Sono. Rebound by Lee. Lee! Power move by Lee Rodriguez.
Flex.
Malupit yung Lee. Patrick Ramos. No, rebound by Niman. Roshan. Foul. Number 1, Brian Mondina. Oh no, number 30? Foul number 30, I'm sorry. That's John Mondina. First free throw by Roshan is good. Second one, will follow up by Niman. No good. Will go by, here comes Brian. Oh, 2 points. Hello. 1 minute. 3-point shot by Niman. Short, 2-1 by Brian. Nagmamadali sa 3-on-1. Lays up by Kelsey, 2 points by Kelsey. It's 28-39. Tama? Yeah. Press button. Shot by Roshan, 2 points by Roshan. Now number 10. Nice move by number 10. Up. Foul. Foul Lee Rodriguez. Sabi lang. There. First foul, first team foul, Lee. First free throw by Patrick Ramos. No. Good. Sub. Okay, Iman. Out. Second one. No good again. Rebound by. Whoa, John. Offensive rebound to Brian. To John for 3. Long. Rebound by number 83, Gil. Now, Sarbag to Roshan. Steal, same ball.
Off Gebrea.
14 seconds remaining. 13, 12, 11. 7, 6. 3-point shot. No good rebound by Benitez. 2, 1. Short. The score is 41-28 in favor. Nice pass, Kelsey.
Roshan. Passes her back. 3. And 4. 2 points by Beeman. 30, dribbling, pass. Let's go. 2 points. Serve back, dribbling, push over, pass through. Oh, save it! Scored wide, number 30. Trouble. Serve back for the shots. Short.
3 seconds. Ooh.
3 points by Sardak. Brian, pull up. No good rebound by Himan. Up to Sono. Steal by John. 3 points shot by Chris Kelsey. No good rebound. Follow up by Brian Mondina. 36-46 is a 10-point lead by Basics. Roshan. Offensive foul. Number 5, Himad Singh. That's your first personal foul and first team foul. Patrick Ramos to number 30. Number 30. No good rebound by Himad Singh. To Sarban. To Roshan. 2 points by Roshan Hill. Hold on. I'm out. No Patrick Ramos. Lays up. No good rebound by Sono. To Roshan. Roshan. 2 points. Now John, 2 points by John Medina. 48-50 is the score. Now Jagru, Taliwal, guarded by Patrick. Himad Singh, 2 points by Himad. 52-38. Kelsey, no good rebound by Himad. To Roshan. Was over. Nice defense. Oh, nice move there by Himad Singh. 2 points. 54-38 in favor of basics. Patrick Ramos for 3. 3 points by Patrick Ramos. 54 or 41. Jagroup to serve back, to motion for 3. 2 points only. 2 points. Stepping. According to referee Mosi. Now number 30 to Patrick, to Brian for 3. No, lumipat na Himan. To Roshan. 2 points by Roshan Gill. The scoring machine. Will steal the Roshan. Foul. Jeffrey Benitez. That's your first personal. First team foul. Okay, 2 free throws. Roshan Gill. First one is good. Stop. Yeah. Right. Let's see the second one. C2E. Good. Again. 60-41. One. Pass to Patrick Ramos. On and 1. Bonus free throw by number 10, Patrick Ramos. Oh, legal. Basics ball. Now serve back. To Jagroup Taliwal, to Himan for 3. In and out, to rebound by Ryan. Goes over to Jeffrey for 3. Whoa! Jeffrey Benitez, 46-60. In favor of basics. Now, Jagroup to Roshan, to Himan, to Jagroup for 3. No good, rebound by Himan. Oh, no, by Jeffrey. Nice pass to Kelsey, 2 point. Chris Kelsey. Timeout, basics. Oh, almost turnover. Pass to C2. Oh, turnover. Natuluyan ng turnover. Number 2. Benitez for 2. Now Roshan. 3 seconds violation. Right now, Jeffrey Benitez. Still, but Jagroup. Shot by Jagroup, 2 points. Taliwal. Patrick Ramos. To Chris Kelsey. Steal by Himan. To Roshan. Roshan, 2 points. 64-50. 14-point lead. Now. Oh, foul! Himan Singh, number 5. That's your second personal and 14 fouls. 2 free throws by Brian. First one is good. Okay, second one. Oh, we're stepping. Not counted. 64-51. Roshan. Nice pass to Riemann for two. 66-51. Number one, Ryan. Whoa! Oh, block! The other way. Basics. Roshan, whoa! No good. Rebound by Jeffrey. Oh, no time. It's the end of the. Okay, for the quarter, the group. Two. Sono to the group for three. Long, rebound by. Who's that? C2. 2 points. Brian Medina, 53-66. 13.8 by Basics team. Roshan, pull up, double rebound by John. Now John, faster. No, narito. To Jagwood, nice move Jagwood, and one by Jagwood. Okay, it's 69-53. Now Jeffrey Benitez, rebound by Sono. To the group, slow down. To Roshan, no good rebound, no nice tap. Oh, completed. It's got Brian to Patrick Ramos. Brian. Short. Rebound by Roshan to the group. To Sanadil for three. No good. Rebound by Swish City Ball. Patrick Ramos. 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Sidu. Roshan. Screen by Lee. Slide. Shot by Robert. Where's that? Foul. And one. Foul. Where's the foul? Number 2, Jeffrey Benitez. First. First team foul? Wala. Now John Medina for three. It's long. Rebound by Sono to Roshan. Roshan. No good rebound by Brian. Crossover. Oh, no good. Jagu. Nice pivot move. Block. Oh, and steal. To Jagu. Shot. No good rebound by Lee. Whoa. Stable. Sub. Alright, C2 out. C2. 83. Gil. Number 82, Gil for three. Whoa! 3 points. Time out. Jeffrey Benitez. To Brian for 3. Whoa! 3, 56-74. Now Son to Roshan. Three-point shot by Roshan. Oh, Gumante. 56-77. Brian, John, now rebound by Himan to Roshan. To number 53, 2 point, 83, Gil. 2 points, Gil. 3-point shot by Jeffrey, in and out. Rebound by Roshan. To Gil. To Sidhu, free throw. 2 points by Sidhu. Kelsey! Oh, there's a foul. 2 free throws. Who's foul? Oh, foul number 83. Gil. First free throw, no. Second free throw, double rebound by Sono. No. Walang pasok. Here comes Roshan. Nice pass to Sidhu. 2 points by Sidhu. Now, Jeffrey Benitez to Kelsey. To number 10. Nice move. Foul. Foul Sidhu. No. Oh, 32 Sono. Sono give. Foul. 2 free throws. First one is good. This is second one by Patrick Ramos. He's good again. 58-83. Now Roshan goes over. Up. No good. Rebound by Sono. Up. Foul number 30. 3-0, John Medina. Warning, John. First free throw by Sidhu is no good. Second is good by Sidhu. Now, Chris Kelsey. 3-point shot by Kelsey. No, rebound by Sono. To Roshan. To rebound C for 3. Long, rebound by Sono. Oh, it's a block by number 30, John Medina. 1 minute and 37 seconds. Himan, number 83 for 3. Short. Rebound by Jeffrey. Jeffrey Benitez goes over. Whoa! No good. Rebound by same ball. Okay, next game is Shoppers versus Frederica. 2 points by Chris Kelsey. 2 points. Kelsey, 2 points. Now Roshan. Roshan drill. And Sipag is got by number 83. Now Roshan for 2. Roshan drill. 2 points. Roshan. Lays up by John Montina. John Montina 2 points. Roshan for 3. No good. Rebound by okay. Pass to Sono. Okay, it's over. Congratulations, Basics. 86 to